Bay windows are more than a beautiful architectural feature. They're a practical upgrade that can transform how your home looks and feels. For homeowners in Coppell, installing bay windows offers a combination of visual appeal, functional benefits, and everyday comfort. Whether you're remodeling or building new, bay windows provide advantages that extend well beyond their classic design. More natural light throughout the home. One of the most noticeable benefits of bay windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a space. Because bay windows extend outward and include multiple glass panels, they allow sunlight to enter from different angles throughout the day. This added brightness can make rooms feel more open, welcoming, and cheerful. Coppell homeowners often find that spaces with bay windows require less artificial lighting during the day, creating a brighter atmosphere that enhances daily living. A greater sense of spaced bay windows visually expand a room by adding depth and dimension. Even in smaller rooms, this outward extension creates the feeling of extra space without altering the home's footprint. The result is an interior that feels larger and more comfortable. Many Coppell homeowners use the additional space created by bay windows as a reading nook, seating area, or decorative display, making the window both functional and stylish. Enhanced views of the outdoors. With their wide viewing angles, bay windows offer panoramic views of the outdoors. Whether overlooking a landscaped yard or a quiet street, these windows create a strong connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. For Coppell homes, bay windows help bring the outside in, allowing homeowners to enjoy changing scenery and natural surroundings from the comfort of their living space. Improved airflow options. Bay windows often include operable side panels that allow for better ventilation. Opening these sections encourages fresh air to circulate through the room, helping improve indoor comfort. This airflow is especially useful for living areas and bedrooms in Coppell homes, where maintaining a comfortable indoor environment is a priority. The ability to control ventilation adds another layer of functionality to the window design. Boosting curb appeal from the exterior, bay windows add architectural interest and character. They break up flat walls and create a more dynamic facade, making the home stand out in the neighborhood. Coppell homeowners appreciate how bay windows enhance curb appeal without requiring major structural changes. A well-designed bay window can elevate the look of both traditional and modern homes. Increasing home value. Bay windows are often seen as a desirable feature by buyers. Their combination of beauty, light, and usable space makes them an attractive selling point. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, this upgrade adds long-term value to your property. Homes in Coppell with bay windows tend to feel more custom and thoughtfully designed, which can positively influence buyer interest down the road. Creating a comfortable gathering space. Bay windows naturally draw people toward them. The added light and openness create a comfortable spot for relaxation, conversation, or quiet moments. Whether used as a seating area or simply enjoyed as a focal point, bay windows enhance how rooms are used. For Coppell homeowners, this added comfort makes everyday living more enjoyable. A smart investment in style and function. Installing bay windows offers both immediate and lasting benefits. They improve light, space, views, airflow, and overall appearance, without requiring a full renovation. For homeowners in Coppell, bay windows are a smart investment that blends beauty and functionality, creating a more comfortable, inviting, and visually appealing home.